welcome back to Cupcake Sebi. Please ignore the really loud, annoying sound that will be in the background of this video. So today we are attempting to do a toilet roll cake. Fingers crossed. So for the actual cake, you will need weighing scales, some butter, I'm using clover, self-raising flour, caster sugar, eggs, some vanilla extra. To make this cake, we're making a simple pound cake. You want to weigh your 2 eggs. My eggs come to about 100 grams, so you want to weigh out 100 grams worth of sugar and 100 grams worth of butter and mix them together. You also want to preheat your oven to about 180 degrees. Before you add the sugar, you want to mix this a bit and make it so it's like light and fluffy. Now you're going to add 100 grams of caster sugar. Now you're going to crack your 2 eggs into it. Crack. Once your eggs nicely mixed in, you're just going to add a bit of vanilla, add the flour, a bit of a thyme, and fold it in. And then add your next lot of flour. And fold it. Now we are going to line it. We're going to butter the base, put a line of baking parchment on, then butter the base and the sides just so it doesn't stick. And then we can put our nice batter into it and pop it in the oven. I've taken out the oven. It was in there for about 25 minutes to half an hour just so it gets cooked all the way through. I poked a dowel through it and it came out nice and clean. So I'm going to leave it in the tin to cool for a bit, and then I will add the next lot of cake mixture in. Okay, so I've got my 3 cakes. This one was the last one to come out, so it's still a bit warm, but now it's time to decorate. So we're going to get the plate because I don't have a fancy thing. I'm just going to get the first layer, and we're just going to make it so it's a bit level on top. We're not going to make it fully level because then we'll be getting rid of too much cake, just the little bit of the dome. So that you are level with the cake, and just going to slice through. This just makes it so it's easier for the other cake to sit on. Now that we have layered it, we're going to get some of our buttercream and we're just going to put a dot in the middle. And then using a palette knife, just going to spread it around. This will just help the 2 layers stick.
Don't take it for the bottom.
No, it's going to be straight. I just want to get rid of the caramelisation. A straight bottom. I'm going to pop this one upside down on it. And I've also just cut off most of the caramelisation on the top. Of course, that leaves a bit more of a bigger gap, but it's fine because it's going to be filled. So I'm just going to switch it down. And now it's time to crumb coat. Just editing this video, I just wanted to point out it was at this point, Sadie realised she could not do this magnificent toilet roll. So it looks like this instead. So what we were aiming for was toilet roll. What we've got is currently a fondant white mess where the back looks a bit bad. So we're aiming for toilet roll. This is what we got. The fondant icing wasn't working and it kept on sticking to whatever I was rolling it in, and there wasn't enough because the stupid packet didn't make enough. It's now a ghost. This is the final product. Toilet roll, more like poltergeist. Say for a first attempt on my own homemade fondant, not too bad. Let's cut it open and see what it's like inside. For you, just let me adore you. Let's taste it. I'm done. I made it into a little ghost. Help yourself to some.
Why are you making it into a toilet roll for? That's really good, Sadie.
It wasn't gonna. It was never gonna look like a toilet roll, no matter how much effort I put into it.
Well, it's looking a lot better than you thought it was going to look, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you for watching Cupcake Sebby. Please like, subscribe. We're only 20 away from 100 subscribers.